Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Solution Provider, a complete course on CATIA. We have started the part design workbench. Under the part design workbench, we have understood one command, what is pad, how to add material. And if you focus on the sketch-based feature workbench, in this some commands are inactive. The inactive commands are material remover command. How to remove material by using those commands. Those are inactive right now because currently we do not have any solid component here. So if we don't have any solid component, so from which we remove material, that's why these commands are inactive. Okay, in the last video we have understood three commands: pad, draft filleted pad, and multipad. And in this video we will understand what is pocket, what is draft filleted pocket, and what is multi-pocket. So to active this command, first we need a solid component. So we will make one rectangle on the front plane. I'm following one approach. Select a plane and position sketch. And now you can active this. Okay, and you can put it here too. And we don't have a profile. So better I will take rectangle or centered rectangle. And I will create one rectangle and exit. Now I will add material first. I will make 100 mirror extent. Okay. Now a pocket means we need to remove material via sketch based feature. So firstly we need a rectangle on this face. You can make any sketch on any face, like on this face, or on this plane at the center of this cuboid, because we have add material by using a mirror extend command. So if I create here, like I will show you. Okay, and I have created one. Better we will create one rectangle. Okay, we create this rectangle here, a small slit type, and we do pocket. Options in the pocket command are quite similar as the pad command. The first limit, the other are up to next, up to last. We will do up to next. What is up to next? In which they have no up to next, so we will up to next is this. Or we can add it pocket, double click. We can do reverse direction or mirror extend. In this we cannot check mirror extend, or we will do dimension, mirror, and preview. Now one more thing I want to tell you here, in which we have one more option is reverse side. Like while removing material, it will ask which material do you want to remove, the inside material from this rectangle, small rectangle, or outside material. So if I reverse side, the outside material will get removed. Okay. And the more options in this command are quite similar to like normal to profile. What is thick? Now we will understand what is thick command. Okay, I will make one. Thick command is must use when you have open sketch. Okay, so I will create one open sketch. I will just simply make one line. Better I will make one curve, so it will be better. This is an open sketch. Okay, now I will pocket and I will check the thick option. Now it will asking me the thickness. I will give internal thickness is 5 mm. The 5 mm slit will be removed from here. It's removed up to depth, that the depth we have given 100 mm, or you can decrease it to 20. Okay. If you have open sketch, you must select the thick option, or if you have closed sketch, it depends upon you. You want to make a thick profile with the closed profile with thick option or not. Like I will show you. If I create, if we create one rectangle or an ellipse, we can fit this toolbar here. It's a closed profile, and I will use this sketch with thick option. So it will ask me for thickness. internal and outside thickness. Internal thickness inside the sketch boundary, outside thickness to outside the sketch boundary. Neutral fiber, now 5 mm, total thickness 2.5 inside, 2.5 outside. Preview. Now we have one ellipse type slit. Okay. Now we will understand the second command, drafted filleted pocket. In this we need one sketch to remove a material. So we will first create a sketch on this surface, and first we will create one rectangle, and we will explore what is draft filleted pocket command. I will create a one square 50 by 50. 50 by 50. Okay. Exit. Now sketch is selected. I will select the command and dialog box will open, and here you can see the first limit. The first limit is defined by the depth. So I will define the depth 50 mm. And what the second limit? A second limit on the surface on which we have created the sketch. Now in the third we have neutral element, the first limit or a second limit. The neutral element is means which face or which surface you want the dimension of that particular surface you want same as our sketch dimension, like 50 by 50, the top or the bottom. That bottom one we have selected limit 1. I want limit 1 will remain as it is as our sketch, and the limit 2 surface on the top surface get drafted at angle of 5 degree. Now preview. Now you can see, and here we know the limit 1, first limit radius, the bottom one, second limit the top radius, and the lateral radius is the corner vertical radius. Okay. And later if you need any change in this drafted pad, you can go to part body and this draft. You can change the draft angle, like if you want to change 10 degree. If you want to remove any surface, as we have explored this command under the draft filleted pad, you can remove any surface from here. And okay, and to add any fillet, can like it's 10 mm. Preview. Okay, so it's all about draft filleted pocket command. Now we will understand what is multi-pocket. So we will make a sketch first. Okay, we will create a rectangle, ellipse. Now I have created an outside. What error will come, we will check. And we have 3 entities or 3 domain, we can say. Now we are going to select multi-pocket. Select the sketch. 3. In the first you can give dimension, it's 10. Second 20. Third 30. Preview, and see. It will get removed. By using multi-pocket, if you have control the 3 sketch independently, you give the independently 3 depth to remove material from a solid cuboid. It's all about the 3 commands. If you feel any query, you are free to ask. You can give your questions in the comment box. I will answer your questions, or you can mail me. My mail ID under description. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.